There, Mr. D here with this absolutely stunning tutorial of the Lady Gaga Hit mix arranged by Larry Moore. This is the Viola tutorial. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. Watch for nice clean stroke and a little bit dry like this. Okay, ready, go. Okay, so let's check some of those notes. So make sure that you practice to get. You can play with high 3, like you also play with low 4. Now we go to 9, so you start quieter. Don't forget to change the stroke. So short. These are done by lifting the bow energetically at the time that you lift the finger. Okay, don't forget the accents. And down, up, up, down. Okay, 14. We're waiting for that double bass beat there. Now check this to be in tune. Okay? If you play the fourth finger, make sure it's in tune. Also that this is in tune. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. Do you see how I accentuated the accents? Now, Bad Romance. Whether you want to play it here that A sharp with a high 1 or with a low 2 like a B flat, it just has to be in tune. Let's go from 35 with pickup one more time. Ready, 2, set, go. Sorry, my bad. Ready, 2, set, go. Good C sharp. You can use fourth finger here. Also C sharp. Then C sharp. You might wanna stretch back the 2. It might be too much of a stretch. Or play it with high 1. Now at the frog, just look at my hand. I'm not using this. Okay, just wrist, fingers. Okay, let's go to 51. Do that a little bit slower for bowings. up, down, up, down, up, down. Rest, rest. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. F sharp. Up. Okay, mid tempo. And I have mentioned in class, play those three notes again. Bring them out. Okay, more tempo. See, it comes back again. Alright, after a play. Okay, let's go to 59. Alright, 67. Okay, look at it slowly how I do the stroke. Accent, accent, short, short, long, short, accent. Make sure those two last notes are the frog, so you can play them loud. Okay, now 72. I see a lot of you doing this. Okay, playing C sharp and switching to G. However, that's not the most comfortable fingering. So I would recommend use low 4. See how my fingers are crossed? F sharp, G, C sharp, right next to each other. See how my fourth finger is almost covering the third finger? Okay? Alright. Soli, that means that you have to play loud and so nice, good sound. Follow the bowings. Then after that, and 1, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4. Ba-da. And da-da. 4. Okay, let's do that slowly. So short, long. Bring this out. No Don't forget to lift the bow at that 8th note rest. So slowly, C sharp please. Lift. Alright? Good luck and happy practicing.